Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 22.2 and this exercise is regarding the parallel lines. So you see these two lines are parallel. Parallel lines means what? The distance between the lines is same. The two lines which never intersect, which they never meet. Okay? Why? Because their distance between them is always constant. Such lines are called parallel lines. So here L and M are parallel and a line that intersects all the parallel lines is called transversal, and a line that intersects all the parallel lines is called the transversal. The first question is identify the transversal from the following figure. So in this figure L and M are parallel lines and so the X is the transversal. So X is the transversal here. In this one, P and Q are parallel lines and so R is the transversal. Here L, M, N, they are the parallel lines and P is the transversal. Okay? So this way we can find the transversal. Now, so this is all about question number 1. Now question number 2. From the figure given, identify the transversal and the name for corresponding angles. Okay, fine. So here the transversal is the line T. This line T is the transversal because L and M are parallel lines. Now they have asked 4 pair of corresponding angles. So see, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding. Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding. Angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding. So what is the meaning of corresponding? See, suppose these two are lines are parallel and this is a transversal. So this angle and these angles are called corresponding angles. Means the corresponding means this one leave this one and this. After leaving one on the same side of the transversal. Similarly, you can say this and this is transversal because we are taking this one, leaving this and this one. So corresponding means you come down or come up first angle, leave the second and then the third. Or you start from here, first angle, leave the second and the third. Okay, so if I suppose let us take one example. If this is parallel line, so this angle and this angle are corresponding. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the corresponding angle. So here the 4 pair are angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8 and angles 3 and angle 7. These are corresponding angles. Acha, here they have asked that these two lines are perpendicular to each other, means all these 4 angles are 90 degree each. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this all. So now they have asked write 2 pair of supplementary angles. Okay, very fine. So this, if this is 90, this is 90, so obviously the sum of these two angles will be 180. So you can write angle AOC and angle BOD, or you can say angle BOC and BOD, or you can take any one, AOD and BOD, angle AOC and COD. Okay, so all these are what? Supplementary angles. Okay, sum of two angles is 180 degree. Now see, in this figure they have said angle 1 is 5x and angle 2 is 13x. Find the values of x and also the measure of all the other angle. Okay, fine. Now what to do? See, this angle 1 and angle 2, they are linear pair. Okay, they are forming the linear pair. So they will be what? Supplementary angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. From here you put the values of angle 1 and angle 2, you will get x equal to 10 degree. Now angle 1 equal to angle 3. So suppose I have angle 1. Angle 1 will be how much? 50 degree. Why? Because angle 1 is what? 5 into x, 50 degree. तो angle 1, angle 3, angle 5, angle 7, all these will be 50 degree. And angle 2, angle 4, angle 6, angle 8 will be all 13x, means 13 into 10, 130 degree. Now let me explain. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2, why? Angle 1, angle 2 equal, vertically opposite. Angle 1 equal to angle 5, why? Corresponding angle. And angle 5 equal to angle 7, why? Vertically opposite. So angle 1 equal to angle 3, vertically opposite, angle 3 equal to angle 5, corresponding angle, or sorry, alternate angle, and angle 5 is equal to angle what? Angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Okay? Acha. So this is all, you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 5 also. So this is corresponding angle. And angle 4 equal to angle 8, angle 3 equal to angle 7, corresponding angle, and 2 angle 4 equal, 6 and 8 equal, vertically opposite angles. Okay student? So practice these sums up to here, and in the next video we will continue. Have a nice day.